Initiating data feeds. Filtering relevant audio streams. Network systems online. Bots.
This world yearns for the simple, base pleasures of forgotten life, where every want or need leaves a record and a price. And so inside my kingdom of bits and bytes, the data flows in like a million lights, and I know what they're willing to sacrifice. I can corrupt, manipulate, control what you see. I am the instigator of your future technology. I know your vices and desires, but won't fix them for free. No apprehension, pay attention, keep your eyes on me. Step right up, come on in, feel the buzz in your veins. I'm like a chemical, electrical, right into your brain. And I'm the one who killed the radio, soon you'll see. So pay up, motherfuckers, you belong to V. Servers, where there's a market for murder and sin, all for more humankind, and I can log their minds on a whim. And though it's ready for me to make it mine, there's still one thing keeping me in line. They don't know that about him. So I'll corrupt, manipulate, control what they see. I am the master of obscuring through our technology. I'll sell your every single weakness back to you for a fee. Don't be a fool and stand there drool and get those eyes on me. Take a chance, play my game, get the rush in your veins. I'm sending out my signal, download into your brain, and I'll be conquering the airwaves. I'm on all of your screens. So pay up, motherfuckers, you belong to V. Manipulate, control what you see. I am the instigator of your future technology. I know your vices and desires, but won't fix them for free. No apprehension, pay attention, keep your eyes on me. Step right up, come on in, feel the buzz in your veins. I'm like a chemical, electrical, right into your brain. And I'm the one who killed the radio, soon you'll all see. So pay up, motherfuckers, you belong to me.
I keep a tight control of what they can see. You'll never gaze behind the maze of cracks on the screen. His dominion, his opinion is the only one key. And though I try and hide it, he's got eyes on me. Made a bet, forged a deal, he got into my veins. A monster I'm in love with, despite all the pain. And so I say this in my solitude, it's my decree. No one will ever know that I belong.